today for the Bitcoin and Ethereum price. And yes, the last 24 to 48 hours are ticking for Bitcoin, Ethereum and the altcoins. What am I talking about here? Well, let me show you something. Today is Sunday and very soon something is gonna go down for the Ethereum price. I want to talk about this right now. I am here actually on a random balcony. It's not even my apartment, but I found something in the chat, so I went out here and I want to make this video for you. As you can see, I'm very high up over the rooftops of Dubai, and of course I want to talk about the Bitcoin price here as fast as possible. So now let's go into the charts, and of course guys, if you appreciate these updates, these emergency updates on the sidelines, smash up the like button to a new all-time high. This is a Sunday video, nevertheless a very important one. Let's go here straight into it, and please guys, let's hit 10,000 likes on this video. Once again, as always, you are the most lovely community in the world and probably the most profitable one as well. Now here I am going over into the chart, and what you can see on the 4-hourly candles is that still we are in breakout mode out of this bull flag here. Bitcoin broke out actually as predicted and is right now seemingly reversing. So now the question is, first of all, are we really reversing here? So on the 4-hourly candles, pulling the Fibonacci retracement level all the way from the top to the bottom, you can see that so far Bitcoin is somehow holding here this the Fibonacci golden pocket on the Fibonacci retracement level. But the question is, are we going to hit the price target actually from this bull flag, which is all the way up here in the skies at 51,000? Well, first of all, I wanted to remind you that here you can see phase A, B, C, D, and E. We are still in phase E, and in phase E, we are actually supposed to break towards the upside. This has to happen rather sooner than later. And pulling out the Fibonacci, the EMA ribbon, you can also see so far very good news. After flipping bullish, we are holding this one here perfectly. So as long as Bitcoin holding it, I still remain bullish, especially now that we have created a higher high and now that we are creating higher lows for Bitcoin. So this trend is actually not only our friend until the end, this trend is perfectly ongoing right now. People were asking me, Chris, are you actually crazy that you are remaining bullish here now that everyone is turning bearish? The reason was that the trend is still bullish. This is why I actually also scaled up my trade to 10 million US dollars. You can see a 10 million US dollars in this trade and 1.67 million US dollars in the profit on the bottom right hand side. This trade is still open. I keep this trade open as long as this bull trend remains to be continuing here. And now let me quickly go over into another chart here before we are eventually going over into Ethereum. If I am going over to this chart here, it takes a few seconds sometimes. You can see here also the EMA ribbon. Let me diminish it. You can see that after breaking out, it really depends on what time frame and how you draw the lines. But if you draw this bull flag like this, then this is just a retest. So what we need here is from here only upside. This is what we need. Of course, if Bitcoin breaks the previous resistance, which is now supposed to be turning into support, I will change my opinion. As far as this is not happening, this is a bullish event for Bitcoin, and this lets me actually also expect the price targets I was mentioning earlier, the 51,900, but also if I am pulling the Fibonacci extension level from the bottom all the way to the top, let me just do this quickly with the fat fingers, then you can see that we actually got resistance here at the level I predicted earlier, at my confluence here of the price target of the diamond pattern, which I mentioned earlier, and the Fibonacci extension level. So getting some rejection here is actually to be expected. As long as we are holding the support, I expect at the next retest the Fibonacci golden pocket to break, and then also the 78.6, the 50,600 US dollar level to be checkmarked. Now let's go over into Ethereum, and I wanted to give you quickly a quick update here, because many people ask me, Chris, your Twitter account is banned so far. We are working on it. It's obviously by mistake, but it's very hard to get it back because it was manually banned by someone on Twitter. So I really hope to get it back here as soon as possible. But I still have provided for you a YouTube Shorts channel and also an MMCrypto Alerts channel where you get all my trading alerts for free in absolute real time. It costs you nothing. It's just a click. You can join the group and I will update you there completely for free. Make sure you check it out, guys. And obviously also, if you want to trade as well, $3,200 for free in bonuses on leverage. This can be even a 100,000 US dollar trade if you leave your own money on the sidelines. All you have to do is click the links in the pinned comment, be an experienced trader, and after making an account with our specific link, after clicking it, you can, after your initial deposit, get this bonus for free. Now let's go over into Ethereum, and what you can see over Ethereum, whereas Ethereum didn't look all too bullish recently here, we still broke out of this W pattern. We didn't hit the price target and are now retesting the previous neckline. What I like about this so far at least is that maybe we are going to perform a W pattern here, which is of course, the deal is not sealed here, and we have to get above the previous neckline. But if Ethereum goes above the previous neckline and breaks actually the new neckline of the new W pattern, we can expect some more further upside here. Well, let me quickly pull this out. And the price target of this specific breakout would be, let me quickly pull that up here. Just a second. Yeah, approximately the previous high, $3,600. So far, so good. Don't trade it before the breakout, because Ethereum can also just get a rejection here. We need to actually surpass the new resistance. Let me quickly pull that out to show you what the new resistance is. Right here, we are right at it. So we have to break it here in the next few hours. But of course, I am still expecting, because Bitcoin is taking the lead, Ethereum to go into the footsteps of Bitcoin. So only if Bitcoin gets higher, then Ethereum can also break out towards the upside for good. And the same thing obviously also goes for the altcoins. This was a quick video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button to a new all-time high. I will come to you with a new update here today. Later on, all you have to do is go down below, press subscribe, press the bell, and press on all to make sure you are not going to miss out on the next video I'm going to publish here very soon in a few hours. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And as always, bye-bye.